I'm good. How are you, Michelle?
I'm doing great.
Good.
I would love to hear about Red Seal Craft Studio. Where did you come up with that name?
I wanted something that was elegant and crafty, but I wanted something that had some, feel to it. And I really wanted a brand. So I kind of came up with the red wax seal. It's from Aristocrat Days. And so that's kind of how it came up with, and I thought it would look great, really, for branding purposes throughout.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So you actually have a studio space where guests can come to your studio and make craft projects. Are you doing projects every day of the week? Is it certain days of the week?
So we're in Roswell, and it's a great space. And yes, so we're there. It varies. So we're there. We have open studio times during the day and night sometimes. And then we have classes as well as parties that we do. So we host private events, have open classes for people to come to, as well as open studio for other people to come as well and do all different kinds of projects.
So basically people can go to your website, see the dates of classes that are already scheduled, or schedule their own private event.
Exactly. So it is all on the website, and they can look on there and see when they can join a class where it's by themselves and they can make new friends, or 12 or more people, they can do a private party.
Nice.
And do it that way and close the place down for them.
Fun. So tell me a little bit about what are the types of classes and projects that you offer? So
we change up the classes that we offer all the time, but our mainstays are wood signs. So we do personalized wood signs with family names is a lot, or quotes. We do it for weddings, for baby showers and birthdays, and then jewelry is another mainstay. And it always changes depending on what beads I'm feeling, vintage brooches and what I can do with those. And so that's one of the big ones that we'll always keep on board is jewelry. And right now we're doing some wood burning on different trays and cutting boards, and we do serving trays. And then we also do glass etching, which is a lot of fun and another personalized thing that people can make for themselves. I mean, the majority of my business is all about personalization and people making really what they want to make, and not just going to the store and buying something. But I can change up the projects whenever I want. If I don't ever want to do wood burning again, I don't have to. Exactly. So I can change it to whatever I want.
Yes, so that's great. You can keep it different, have a variety, and so it's great because we can always go to your website to see what new projects that you're going to be offering.
Exactly. And I think that's what's unique about my business is that it's not just one thing, and I can evolve over time, and I have bad craft ADD sometimes, and sometimes I don't ever want to do that project again. So it's nice to be able to change it up. So for a bracelet, what we do is everybody gets a piece of elastic, and then you can pick out from all the assorted beads, and then really you just slide on, and you can come up with any pattern that you like. A lot of people are very specific in their pattern. I've realized how OCD people are and like patterns and different things, but sometimes random is fun, but it's not always easy for people. But the good part is nothing is permanent until we attach it. So they have lots of time to kind of try different things and see what they like to do. You also realize how blind you are when you have to do it. And then we'll put on, let's say, a big one. So I kind of like to do a centerpiece at times for when you're doing it. Let's see, what else can we do? And then we add in some spacers, just always shiny is good. We love gold. And then some people, what's nice too, is that they can judge the sizes. A lot of times some people have smaller wrists or bigger wrists that they can't find jewelry for them. So it's nice to be able to make their own. To personalize that for each one of them. So we use a tool to crimp it, which is the best way to close it so that it stays secure. I've made thousands of bracelets over the years. And then we just cut off the excess elastic. I'm always a fan of elastic because I think it's just easy. And then you're going to slide it on, and you have your own personalized bracelet.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Thank you
it looks
so
nice.
much.
You're welcome.
I love it.